What's up, Zyadran? Why isn't it showing my chat? There's no chat thing on OBS. Okay. I don't know what's going on here. But yeah, there we go. I might just have might have a pop-out chat and do some like this maybe. You're making pancakes. Making pancakes, making bacon pancakes. Take some bacon and put it in a pancake. Bacon pancakes, that's what we're gonna make. That song is so gas, bro. That song is so gas. Hopefully I don't get copyright issues this time. Okay, this works, this works. Alright. Alright. Oh my gosh. Of course. Why am I not surprised? Pancake mix that doesn't require eggs. Bro, what the hell? That's like actually wild. Oh, that's the wrong mod. That's the wrong mod. Yo, get this window off my screen. Okay. Need this video to load. Okay, there we go. Glad I got that off the screen. That could have been dangerous. Alright, so today, let's see what's on the to-do list. There's like a specific song in this playlist that I gotta skip because I got copyrighted last time I live streamed. But I honestly should not care right now because I'm not making any money off this anyways. My sister does, and she uses butter. Yeah, butter pancakes are like the best pancakes. Yeah. I'm more of an eggs guy. I make eggs. Yeah, my sister's pretty good. I wonder if I can use Precipice. I can probably use Precipice. I can't use Creator. There we go. Much better. All right. I gotta look for The video? Oh my god, I completely forgot about it. I've been so busy with Hymns of Hollowness to where I'm just like, yeah, I completely like let it off. I will try my best to get back to that, but I don't know, Hymns is pretty active, so I might be doing a lot. Plus, I want to get this out beforehand, so I think it just makes a lot more sense. Alright. It shouldn't lose relevancy, honestly. I mean, it's a pretty old, like, retrospective, and like those videos do kind of blow up anyways, so I put a capital T on the add offset. I'm like kind of stupid. What's up, JDM? We all love the Great Cat. We all love the Great Cat. Both old and new. Both old and new. If you're wondering about VCing with me, I'm in the live streaming chat in Afrosville. Just letting y'all know. Scale. Set 1-1. Update the hitbox. This actually should be in post create. We're going to watch. This is not okay. I can fix that later. We don't need that offset, so that thing is really freaking big. So now I need to add an offset. So minus 20. No. Minus, no, we get to 5. Alright, so 7.5, 7.5 seems like, yeah, that works. That works. Perfect. Function, post update. Yeah, it's a checkbox. It's used in the options menu, and I'm gonna use it here for if you want to toggle the recharts. So it's just gonna be like a small little event. Equals Bro, stupid international keyboard keeps turning on. I don't want it. Oh, what's up? What's up? What's up, Other Hand? Or Santa. Do I call you Santa or do I call you Other Hand? I haven't seen you in a while. Oh, that's a bug. Wait. It should. Yeah, that's good. Alright. Now I gotta make it so that, lower that down. I gotta make it so that, it detects if has recharts is true in the data file. I should make an extending function that turns it off instead. Story. What song does it play next? Backrooms. I gotta skip that. I can't play copyrighted Backrooms music on here. We're gonna do another Minecraft track. Unchanged difficulty. Alright, cool. Alright. We're gonna take this. And bro. That has recharts. We are going. No. Bro. There we go. What am I doing? What is everyone else's Sunday morning tradition? I go to church Sunday mornings, but aside of that, I don't know if I do much outside of waking up a little earlier than I would normally do. I think like the two things that I do on a Sunday are go to church and go to church in the evening, because I actually really like our evening service. It's really nice. So I need to detect. Do they do dinners? No, they don't. Unfortunately. Okay, how do I structure this? So I need to unselect. Yeah, I need to unselect if the difficulty does not have the rechart value set to true. So how about we keep rechart is checked and we just change it for the difficulty. So this would be rechart. And it should detect if the alpha is 1 or 0.5. Or I might make a new variable. Hold on. Rechart unchecked alpha. I might add this to the thing. Just kill that if statement. It's a big fat if statement, but whatever. Yeah, it checks for if it overlaps, if you just pressed it, if can select is true, and if the rechart alpha does not equal the unchecked alpha. As recharts. Selected, not selected. Selecting. Do another finish callback. Honestly, I don't even need the if statement. I could literally just wrap it around a separate thingamajig. Could do that equals. I kind of need to comment this line out. Lest we forget about the 500 if statements from Athos. True, bro, true. Well, this thankfully is like one if statement, which shouldn't be horrible. And this is just like a crappy text, the crappy checkbox. It should not be a huge deal. How about... Rechart unchecked alpha. So we can do that, and then we're gonna do local as recharts unselected. we're gonna do this, but instead this value is gonna be replaced with local as recharts. That's a problem. Valid access to field alpha. Is it because it's a true false statement? Alright. Yeah. That's a problem. Rechart unchecked alpha, so does the story menu state call change difficulty on the start? Procrastinate and watch the stream instead of doing more concept art. Yeah, you should go back to doing concept art. You don't need to watch me right now. So it does call the change difficulty function, which is very odd because it also calls change week. So why is it doing this? And it's specifically on line 49, so I can't even set the alpha right, which is very weird. Rechart unchecked alpha. No post create option in here. Story menu state.hx. The song really messes with my ears. I don't like it. Well, no, the song is really good. It's just very weird with my ears, and I don't like that. I don't like that feeling. No, it's gotta be on menu loaded. And this could probably be it. Null object reference, okay, cool. Which is hilarious because no, that's Discord util. I'm so stupid. Yeah. Let's create. Do I gotta put it in create? That's not fun. Local hash recharts. Trace. What integer is it on? So this should be false. That's a problem. That's a problem. Variable rechart. Oh, duh. Why? So, why is the first difficulty 1? Like, what? Weeks. Why does it start at the middle difficulty? Can I cancel that out? Default difficulty should be the middle difficulty in the array to be constant with base game and whatnot. You know the drill. Okay, so that's a problem. Because it's very messy. Create. Her difficulty should be 0, but it's not. It's instead doing this math board variable. That's not fun. I'm thinking. I'm gonna be devilish real quick. Yeah, I figured that would have messed something up. That's so dumb. How much more is in this until any copyrighted? Okay, we're good. Kill this because this crashed the freaking game. So trace cur diff no. Ugh. So this should not do that. If it's false, then why are we doing this? No, actually. Bro. Man, what the hell? Alright. That's not good. Oh. None of this is good. Oh, I don't even need to do that. I don't even need to do the animation code. Wait, I can, though. That's a problem. Okay. How about... rechart. Checkbox. Alpha. Whoa, what the freak? Oh no. My whole PC froze. Oh my gosh. What just happened? My whole PC froze. What the freak? Okay. Alright. We're back. Yeah, whole stream froze. My whole computer froze, actually. I cannot wait for that new PC. Yeah, PC, like, completely froze. That's what happened. No, I don't even need to skip that there, maybe. Why the alpha? Why is that messing up? Diff data. That's a bug. That's a bug. Yeah, it should not be doing that. It's like swapping my textures too. Yeah, so how would I get the correct difficulty? How about I do trace? Okay, so ID is 1. And it doesn't even change it, right? Which is very odd. Why does codename do that? This has got to be fixed in like a later action build or something. I'm gonna download this, but I don't want to have to switch over to another action build. Matter of fact, let's see if this works on base game. Or if base game has like better coverage. No. We gotta back out. Why does it do that? Is it because it's like not too it's not two strings. I wonder if it's that's the reason why. That's the case, that's really stupid code. And I hate that. Which means I would have to call a week change again, so I think we could do whatever the week change function is. Change week, 0 true. That's so dumb. How about nope. That's a codename engine bug. No way in hell that's not. So dumb. Are you kidding me? Stream health is bad again. Hello? Okay. It's fine. Alright. Always some kind of bug in this bum-ass engine. Oh. Where are my... Where's the weeks? Where's the weeks? Yeah, it froze again. Not my computer, but the stream, it, like, disconnected for a little bit. Where is Discord? How dumb is this? Oh, thank God that's Minecraft. I thought that was the back rooms. Dude. Bro. Okay. I might have to just get the newest action. Maybe, God. I hate doing this so much. This goddamn difficulty system, bro. What in the world? It's actually pissing me off. Because the textures are wrong. And I'm getting pissed. Let me get this stupid file up again. I can't do that. I can't cancel this thing. Alright. Stupid damn bug. I wonder what difficulty this will give me.
Three, two, one, go!
The texture said gay. Watch, this is gonna be easy again.
3, 2.
What? This is gonna be easy. Watch.
3,
That's
2.
the gay remix. Is this gonna be the gay remix?
3, 2.
Bro.
Three, two.
What value does it set? Actually, what value does it set? Bro. Okay. I have cur weak in there. Difficulties cur difficulty 2 lowercase. Bro, that's so gay. I'm just gonna copy what's here. Thing. giving me the old name, which is very weird. I wonder how I can get the new difficulty. I might just have to do +1. If that's the case, then... That's still a problem. -1. God! The stupid computer! I'm so ready to replace this thing. I'm so ready to replace this thing. Oh my gosh. Let's go back to coding. Let's try -1. This is annoying. That's Minecraft. What the freak? Ominous music. I might not even do on difficulty change. I'm gonna take my code. Thank you very much. I'm gonna run it at a post update. I'm gonna make my own thing. Function toggle. If left P and then right P. Bro, all I had to do was not extend the difficulty function. That is so stupid. And this code right here just works. That's so dumb. Bro, life of a programmer, bro. This is the life of a programmer. I'm not taking a break for now. This was all I needed to do. What I kind of need to do now is find out where the UI sound effect is, like the menu. There's no shared folder. Good. Thank God there's no shared folder. Editors. Oh, stupid VLC. Cool. I got the right function. Yay! Paths, sounds, paths.sound editors. Okay, cool. Oh, it's right here. Checkbox, check, checkbox, uncheck. That's okay, fun. Cool. Now we add cool little text. So I'm thinking VCR font. We can make it a little big. All right, cool. This better not be copyrighted. All right. How about there? It'll fix text. Play recharts. Play song recharts. There we go. Or whatever. Do 40. No. Apps, not PCR. 40. Flex color white. No, we could do the red color. Could do a cool little red color, maybe. I don't know. We just do white. Align it to the left. Yeah, I think we're good there. Anything else? I'm tweaking. 35 by 620. Absolutely beautiful. I just gotta do the exact same alpha code for the pre-chart text, and then this little thing will be done, and we can get to work on the stuff. Hello, what's up? Welcome to the live. How about I just, instead of doing the alpha stuff, I just toggle the visibility? Yeah, let's do that instead. It makes a lot more sense. Checkbox.visible. Charts. What's up, Jaw? I'm coding. How you doing? Bro, 5 viewers, bro. I'm like super famous now. This is so toughness. Okay, so it's difficult to have recharts. Were you able to build that new PC or still not? I'm still on the laptop. The PC's gonna be built next Sunday. I think I told you not this Sunday, next Sunday. Yeah. The PC's gonna be built Sunday the 30th. I might try and see if I can get... It depends on what's happening, because I think my dad might try and help me out a little bit, but we'll see. We'll see. Alright. Dude. Bro, I'm gonna play Fort without freezing up, finally. Yes, sir. Okay, so difficulty... Kill that there. Unselecting. This should be fine. Where's the visibility? Okay, so even if I have that on there, I have to reselect it again. That's good. Cool. And it looks pretty smooth too, so I think we're done here. Let's work on remaking the free play menu. Bro, this laptop was screaming for help. It's so bad. It's like every time I run 4, I always freeze up somewhere. Alright, so... yeah, so... Free play... Ooh, we gotta lock the free play. I forgot. That's yucky. I gotta figure that out. Let's extend main menu state checks. And let's go to main menu state. There is an override for on select item, but I gotta make sure that this is returned back to false. So I gotta make the alpha back to okay. Unchange item maybe. Yeah, this could work. Alright. Select. Alright, by diagram. Event cancel. We're going to run a switch. First, this is way better than client preferences.hx. Now I got my variable. I gotta extend the pre-play option a little bit. Let's do if no, I gotta I just remember what I gotta do. Matter of fact, I might just test that rechart thing. Let's see. Beautiful. Bootylicious. Okay, unlock 22. We have this massive statement. All right, let us see. They're selected. Are you kidding me? That's so yucky. How about I just make it reload the main menu? I think that would work. Yeah, I think that'll work. Netflix G, switch state. new main menu state. Ooh, actually, how about before that, I put up like this really cool little API box. Where's the mod? I made a mod that did this. Oh, that, yeah, that I gotta skip. All right, that's Kane Parsons. States menu, native API. We can copy that. Show message box. Nermal wants to tell you you need to beat my week before accessing this, before accessing the really cool replay songs. There we go. Nermal wants to tell you need to beat my week before accessing the really cool free play songs. And I might do the skip transition and thing. If I can find a skip transition button. Open file. Skip transition in. This would actually be in Nermal. Well, new Nermal, actually. New loop.hx. Music beat state skip transition in. Skip trans out. Oh. Oh, import music beat state. Cool. And I like that it like accidentally does that too, which is really nice. All right. That's good for now. Let's try and make that so we could do a little script thing. Function on song and if play state. Sometimes we're good. Hold on, I gotta. I'm back. Barged. All right. Bro. just beat it. Oh, I'm stupid. I gotta... Okay, clear recharts. Hello? 0 FPS? What the freak? Dude. Really? What now?
Three, two. 3, 2, 1, go!
Good. Yes, sir. Alright. Let's remake the free play menu. Surprisingly enough, I'm thinking about making this a sub-state. No? JX. Bro, this isn't WOM. Well, let me fix this. What we're gonna do, actually, I'm gonna copy some code over from Nermallin 2026. Specifically for, getting the songs for free play. Stupid file. I'm in here all the time. Alright, their songs. Array into. What song is this? Okay, it's Minecraft. Good. Yeah. Do a difficulties map. We do the songs and then the difficulties that they have. We try something like that. options. Play state. Health icon. We're gonna use string tools. Conductor. Why are there 2 instances of health icon? Kill that. Cool. Alright. Real quick, what I am gonna do is I am going to go use the bathroom. I will be right back. I kind of do need to take a piss. So, yeah. I'm back. I am back. Alright. Living the life of a noob, I barely use my gun. Living life in the life of a noob, I barely use my gun. That song has actual toughness. Alright. Let's do a simple function. Post update elapsed. Do a float. If controls back. This data on close. So, alright. Comment that out. Open sub state. Let's just do that. Cool, so that works. And now we can do another switch state. Alright. Cool. Now that that's done, let's create our sprites. There. Health icon. Okay, so how does free play state get their sick kicks? Play state. Their songs. Great chart metadata. Okay, so. Okay, we didn't really need the chart metadata map, but what I do want to do is get the chart metadata. Alright, so what the heck? Alright. I might trace out the song list. Hello? I literally have it in here. Replace song list. Alright. Replace song list, text. No, not yet. Which is really funny because it's surprisingly not working. Let's make a function. Function. Load chart metadata. Where's flags? Pumpkin backend system flags. Would that be it? Oh, I just realized I need to change the stream thumbnail. Stream settings. Edit it. Yeah, that thumbnail needs to be changed. I have a new thumbnail. It's really cool. Perfect. And now... that I gotta skip. That's Kane Parsons. There we go. Perfect. Alright. Funkin' backend system, the flags. Songs from source. That's weird. I guess substates won't work. Let's get rid of this. Honestly, I might find this out some other time. Let's chart. Let's chart. Oh my gosh, I'm so dumb. A, the pre-played lock works, and that's really, really good. Why did I have it in a separate coding engine build? Actually, let's put that there. Okay, it's just not gonna make me a new thing. All right, I guess I'm just gonna open up Psych Engine. Yeah, this is fine. I'm only chart editor. Yeah, figured. Thank you, Psych Engine. Very cool. I gotta go into the actual song and pull it up. So, first criticism JDM had when he playtested this was the charting is a bit funky on the beatbox section, so we are going to go and take a look at what I did for that beatbox section originally. So, I think his problem, alright, I think it's that. Nah, I'm still gonna... Okay, let's save that for now, and let's actually... Nope. And you're gonna get me out of here. And we are going to go over here. Note type list. Normal note. Then we do this stupid normal thing, like the giant N. Hold on. Bro, it's like thundering outside. What the freakity deekity, bro? Alright, let's test this first
3,
section
2,
out.
1, go!
low-key need to fix that section. Oh boy. Yeah, I might end stream. Actually, it like thundered so hard it shook the house. Bye guys.